Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Gonna make this real quick video. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of PayPal proof. As most likely the title suggests, this is PayPal proof, how to make money, how to make fast cash with PayPal with a complete done for you business. Okay, 100% done for you business. As you can see right now, guys, it's the wee hours in the morning. Getting paid when normally I would be asleep, but it's the wee hours in the morning. I'm up because I'm doing a bunch of different things. And guys, check this out: the money pouring in as usual, all month long. Good stuff. Now, if you want to make money like this, guys, if you want to know how to make money on complete autopilot, okay, autopilot with PayPal, you're going to need a true done for you business, like a whole setup. When you get involved with WCC, people always ask me, Michael, what is WCC? It is a completely done for you business. They have a community of people, I think it's over 2,000 people in this Facebook group that are making money with the system, including me, moi. I'm making money with the system too. If you want to be that person that can sit back, wake up in the morning, have cash flowing into your account, no problem, month after month. I've been promoting the system like since July. So from July until now, as you can see, 50 of 500. Okay, pages just keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going. I'll go a couple pages down here to show you. You can see I just turned 2 pages. Look, November 11th, same thing, same deal, guys, same deal. So if you want to make this type of money online, no problem. We'll get you to it. It's simple. It's easy. It's flowing like the water. All you have to do is connect with them. Okay, I want you to watch the video by the owner so you can figure it all out. It's really simple. Okay, you'll find a link below here. Get involved now, guys, because what's going to happen is, you'll go off to another video, you'll forget about it and all that kind of stuff. And then what'll happen, you'll say, oh man, I wanted to get involved with that PayPal system, but I forgot what video it was or where it was. That's happened to me before. So, just slow down, take a break and just click the link below and watch the video from the owner. He tells you every single thing about the business. That way I don't have to invent the wheel over and just repeat the whole thing that he's already said. Because when I watched the video, I was impressed. I was like, okay, this is what it's really about. It's about saving you a bunch of time, saving you a bunch of money, and getting your own, business in the box, if you will. Okay, doesn't cost anything to promote it. Okay, what you're getting is an actual business where they have your sales pages, your landing pages, your capture pages, and your product all in one, all in one bundle. And of course, the product is you're actually selling the system. That's what I sell. But you can sell other things in other niche and other genres and whatnot. Okay, my video just popped up for my next video. So I'm going to go with it. Now, if you're looking to join the Power Lead system, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm with right now. The Power Lead system is what I use for my capture pages. All you have to do is look down here in the corner and it says Michael Internet Pro. Go there. You can either type it in, go on Google, type in Michael Internet Pro. You'll find my Power Lead system, $7 to join today. Now, you can't beat that. But if you want this PayPal system, guys, join for $1, $1. That's it. Okay, 10-day test drive. After that, it's about $1 a month, and you can make money like this. PayPal income coming in all day long. Click the link below, guys. I'm out.